World Cup season, but who's got the best hair on the pitch? Love them or loathe them, there's absolutely no denying that footballers have got a huge influence over us. You know, not just the game they're playing and the goals they're scoring on the pitch, but also what they're doing off the pitch. Their style choices, the tattoos they're getting, and their hairstyles. So in this one, I've pulled together my top 5 hairstyles, really the hairstyles and the footballers you need to be looking at this World Cup. Now, if you disagree or you think I'm missing someone or you think someone should be in a different rank, let me know in the comments below. And if you're new to this, then please do press subscribe right now. Now at number 5, I've got Spanish player David De Gea. Now over the years, De Gea has changed his hair. He's actually just been growing it out. He used to have the disconnected undercut styled as a lot of us guys have had. But now he's got the longer hair and he's wearing it more like a sort of man bun style. Now I would normally say that I'm really not into the man bun. You've got to be a certain type of guy to wear it and to also pull it off. But I think De Gea really does do it with ease. Now if you want this hairstyle, grow it out guys. You've got to have patience. Also, if you're going to style it in a man bun, my top tip is to not wear it on the top of your head, but wear it slightly lower down. Now at number 4, I've got Ronaldo. Ronaldo is always on these sorts of lists, you know, looking at style, at grooming, and at hair. And actually, out of all the guys on this list, he's probably changed his hair the most. We've seen him with some pretty questionable hairstyles, longer, bleached blonde, worn back, worn up. But at the moment, he's probably got his most classic cut. It's a buzz cut with a razor part put in, and he's got his natural color. And actually, I think this suits him the best. And really, he's on the list because he's someone that I think really pushes the boundary of his own personal style and has evolved it. Now at number 3, I've got French player Antoine Griezmann. It's another buzz cut on the list, and it's one that I just think really works. I'm actually at a point where I think, in terms of hairstyles and trends, they should either be longer or shorter. This sort of middle ground, I'm not such a fan of. And actually, until quite recently actually, Griezmann had longer hair. It was longer, he wore it straight back, it was bleach blonde, he had dirty roots, but I really like the buzz cut on him. And also, he has got some of the best eyebrows in football. Now at number 2, we've got Argentinian player Messi. Now you'll be looking at this thinking, Robin, his hair's not that exciting, it's not really a hairstyle I'd want, but I've got to say, I like this because it suits him. It suits his own personal style, and it's also age appropriate. You'll see with a lot of footballers, they're trying to be like a 16-year-old. You know, it's dyed, it's short, it's cut, it's razor parted, and it just doesn't work. But this one with Messi, I just think really suits him. Also, having facial hair, it all sort of molds into that one style. If you do want a style like this, I would say take the picture along to your barber to show him, but really you want to be adding texture into the hair, wearing it loose and messy. Something actually like a hair cream would be perfect for styling this. Now, my top 1, the one you have all been waiting for, is Toby Alderweireld. Now, Alderweireld has had this same hairstyle for years. We've seen it, it feels like forever, but it really does suit him. And actually, why change something if it works? He's got it super short, super clean, and really refined. He's also, again, got that razor part in to make sure the parting is always perfect. Really short on the back and sides, and with loads of texture on top. Now, to style this, 1, get the haircut. Again, go on to this, I've got this on manforhimself.com, get that picture, take it to your barber and show him. Secondly, in the styling, you want something which is a sort of classic product, so think something like a high shine wax or pomade. Warm it up, style it, get it straight in and push it back, and you should be good to go. But there you go, my top 5. I'm sure loads of you disagree with this. If you do, let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know who your top 5 are and also who you're supporting in this World Cup. Gotta say, not a huge football fan, but with all of this, I'm certainly getting in the mood for it. But thank you very much for watching. If you're new to my channel, you've not yet pressed subscribe, then hit subscribe right now. The button is just up there. There's also more video suggestions down there. Stay with me, watch them, head to my blog, it's there. Loads going on. My podcast and my Instagram is up there. But I'll see you in the next new video. It's Sunday. Get ready with me, summer edition. Bye-bye.